I'm super excited today to show you this Aspen floor plan by Marchand Homes out here in Lost Creek. Make sure you stick around to see the video. You're going to enjoy this house. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I'm John Murray, a realtor here in Halifax, Nova Scotia with Keller Williams Select Realty. Now, what we do on my channel is I give you new construction home tours as I visit all the developments happening all around and outside the city of Halifax. So if you're interested in staying up to date with this or thinking of moving, buying, or selling, do me a huge favor, hit the like, notification, and subscribe buttons to stay up to date with everything that's happening and reach out with any questions. I'm here today in the heart of Lost Creek, a premier lifestyle subdivision in Beaver Bank. Now, if you're not sure where this is, we are about 35 kilometers northeast of Halifax. It's about 35-minute drive to the downtown core, so 25 minutes into Dartmouth, and only about 25 minutes to the airport as well. Now, if you're trying to access here, you're going to take the 101 and get off exit 2, and then it's a straight 9-kilometer shot just up Beaver Bank Road. Now, for your daily needs, you're literally only about a 10-minute drive from the main commercial hub of Sackville. That's where your Atlantic Superstore, your Canadian Tire, lots of gyms, movie theaters, restaurants, you name it. It's just a 10-minute drive away. Now, the anchor of this community is definitely the Lost Creek Golf Club. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the sign here. It's an 18-hole public course that's just a 3-minute drive away from most of the new houses in this subdivision. The Lost Creek vibe is definitely about space and privacy, with most lots being wooded and at least 1 acre of space. While it's a planned community, the wide setbacks and winding roads give it a quiet, country-like feel that is perfect for families. Now, when you're in subdivisions like this with lots of acreage outside of the city, you are going to be on well and septic, and as I always say, that's nothing for you to worry about whatsoever. Basically, you can forget about your municipal water bill every month because you're not going to have to pay one. And having a brand new septic system gives you 25 to 30 years of self-assurance as long as you take good care of it and know what to flush down the toilet. Now, lastly, I'm going to put the schools for the neighborhood up on the screen for you to see. And as always, if you have any questions for me at all about the area, just reach out, and I hope you enjoy the home tours. Before we go in to see this Aspen floor plan by Marchand Homes behind me, I want to remind you, I do not represent any of the builders on my channel. I have great relationships with not only them, but their listing agents that allow us in to give you these wonderful home tours. Now, we are in Lost Creek. It's March 5th, 2026. This Aspen model is available. There's a good chance it might be sold by the time you're watching this video. That's okay. Also available right now is an Everest model. I'm going to be doing a video on that as well. They're planning to build 2 thicket models, a dam model and a Rebecca model right now in this development also. However, those could be subject to change. So if there's another floor plan you like, give me a call and I can talk to their agent and we can see if we can work something out for you. I am also going to be doing a home tour of the thicket model today, so that will also be on my channel for you. Please remember, these are not landscaped lots, so you have to factor in the cost of what landscaping would be after purchasing the house. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy the tour and I'll see you soon. All right, so we are going to be viewing the Aspen floor plan by Marchand Homes. We're looking at a 2-story home, obviously with a double car garage. You got 4 beds, 3.5 baths. It's 2,842 square feet, and the lot we're currently sitting on is 3.28 acres. Again, we're in Lost Creek. The base price starts at $884,900. So let's go in and I hope you enjoy this tour. See, your well cap is out front here. So they've got a nice covered entranceway here, a nice foyer. It's a wooden deck. Nice Big overhang. Lots of space here. Nice side light here. Give you a nice one more look at the railings here. Kind of the view from outside. The lot we're on, the driveway does come down, but again, we're focusing on the home floor plan and the model itself more than anything else. So I've shown this home before to clients in other areas, so if you do like it, but Beaver Bank's not the right place for you, again, they do build in a lot of different places, so you can always reach out and give me a call. So when you come in the door, you're going to have your coat closet right to the right. Okay. Then over right to the left, as you come in, is your garage door. Nice look out at the garage. Big, big garage. Over to the right is a very unique space. I really like it because you can see the railings going up the stairs. Would make a perfect little office space or reading nook. Lots of different ideas you could use for it, but it's kind of angled in. It's really unique and gets a lot of light. Like I said, I've seen this home in different locations and it's always a nice bright open room. You got a powder room over to your left. You should come in, give you a look. If you are wondering, obviously that's tile and the flooring here is laminate. I did forget to mention while we were outside that they do have 40-year LLT shingles on the home. So that's limited lifetime warranty shingles. They're basically a higher quality than your average asphalt shingle. They're great things to have on the home. And the windows are all Energy Star certified, low E and argon windows. If you don't know what those are, you can look them up or you can give me a call. So, I'm just doing some circles here for you. Nice, big, open space. You got your heat pump there. Again, heat pumps are gonna cool your place in the summer, keep it warm in the winter. They're very energy efficient. You also have baseboard heating. Okay, it is electric heating here and an electric fireplace. Beautiful. They have I'll have to check the deck size. I think it's 12 by 17 out here, I believe. Yes, it is. Yeah, 12 by 17. All right, let's take a look at the kitchen here. So up top, they have their white shaker cabinets. And this lower cabinetry here in the kitchen has actually been upgraded. This is one of Marchand Homes upgraded cabinetry on the bottom. I believe this is they call it their Cosmos Walnut. So it's one of their deluxe trim packages. So if you want to know more about their trim packages and everything, just give me a shout and I'm happy to walk you through it. A very big walk-in pantry here. Tons of space. These are soft close cabinets also. Well, they were. So there you go. So nice big open space, lots of space for your dining table. Nice living room area, nice undermount sink here and a big kitchen island. This place for your dishwasher, your stove, and your fridge over here. Again, appliances are not included in what you see the base price. I really like this floor plan. I love like open staircases. When we go upstairs, you're gonna see it as we wrap around. And I also really love that they have carpet going down to the basement. You'll learn from me on these home tours that if I see carpet going down to the basement, I love it. I love it on my feet, especially in the winter. Open staircase here. Big family room, rec room, bonus room, slider doors to get outside your backyard. Tons of space here. You got baseboard heating, lots of windows. So this will go out under your deck. Again, we have laminate flooring. All these new construction homes also come with the Atlantic Home Warranty as well. I rarely mention that in my videos. I kind of take for granted that you might not know what's assumed. So if you have any more questions in terms of builder's warranties or the Atlantic Home Warranty, just my number will be on screen. I'm happy to kind of walk you through what the differences are. You've got nice understairs storage here. So you're gonna have a full bath here on the left, a bedroom on the right, and your utility room straight ahead. Here's a nice full bathroom. Love the hardware that they put on. Looks great. There's a good sized bedroom here. Down the basement, baseboard heating. I'll open up the closet for you. So good size, a nice big window. Your utility room here, so your hot water tank, your air exchanger, and everything you need for your well water. So your system's already here, you don't need to worry about it. Nice and tucked in neatly. And we're gonna go upstairs. So again, if this is your first time watching my channel, or you're interested in looking at some new construction for the first time or resale, I'd be honored to take you through. I do help people just like yourself that are watching this video every week. If you already have a realtor, that's cool too. Bring them along. But if you don't, I'd be happy to walk you through the process. So you can see what I mean here, how this opens right up. I love this. Chandeliers here, big windows, tons of light coming in. And here's that bonus room, little office I told you about. Right underneath the stairs, right when you walk into the entry. Stairs are nice and wide. So the layout upstairs here, you have your primary right on the right, bedroom here, full deep bath here, another bedroom in the corner, and then your laundry room tucked around the other side. So straight at the front, at the top of the stairs, this bedroom. I feel like I open up a lot of closet doors on these tours, but I would want to see the closets if I was watching this and considering buying a home. I would want to know everything about it. If you've made it this far into the video, there's a good chance that, you know, you are in the market for a home, so I'm glad you're sticking around. If you're not, you probably would have tuned out by now on most of my videos. But Marchand is one of the best builders we do have here in the area, so make sure you stick around and check my playlist too, because I'm gonna have a lot of their models on here. See, nice full bath. This is very deep. Okay, this room. Another bedroom in the corner. So this one faces the front of the house. For context, you see nice, big windows, tons of light coming in. And you've got a closet tucked here. There we go. I'm dropping all my papers. So your laundry room is here. You can see the space for both the washer and dryer, and a nice folding rack here, or a folding shelf. And look how they have this cut out so you can run everything through. Super smart. Some floating shelves there with some extra cabinets. Nice lighting. Beautiful laundry room. I also have a linen closet here at the end of the hall. Again, straight down, excuse me. Straight down, we're going to the primary bedroom. So this would face the back of the house. I'll give you a look around here. Nice and big, lots of space. Sorry. So a big walk-in closet. We'll go on inside. Even has a baseboard heater in it. And then over here is your ensuite bathroom. So you've got a soaker tub here on the right. Beautiful tile on the flooring. Nice deep shelving here on the left. Again, they have the deluxe trim package here matching upstairs. Quartz countertops. And beautiful shower. Nicely tiled all the way up to the ceiling. Gorgeous. So, if you like this floor plan and you want to know more about it, where else it's being built, if it's still available by the time you see this video, my information again will be on screen. I really hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'm sure I missed something, so if there's anything else you're curious about, just reach out and I will have the answers for you. You have a great day.